Hey guys, it's your best girl Joanna Jadelia, and today I'll be showing you guys how I style my big chop, my pixie cut, taper cut, just how I style my shirt here. So today I'll be doing it in the method of a wash and go. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned and let's get into it. I already washed it. I tried to start moisturizing it a little. Start with putting some oils in my scalp. Right now I only have a few drops of peppermint, it seems like. I have eucalyptus oil too. And I like to put the oils in my scalp, especially peppermint, because I just feel like it really soothes it. And sometimes I do get an itchy scalp, have an itchy scalp. So yeah, I really will mix this eucalyptus and peppermint oil with like a moisturizing oil. Okay, now I'm going to moisturize my hair. Now I usually just use this leave-in cream, which is Moisture Miracle. I've shown you guys in my other video when I chop my hair, did my big chop. So I really just moisturize with this. I spray bottle and then go with my leave-in. Now if you don't have this leave-in, just choose any leave-in of your choice that works better. That works really good with a gel, whether it be Wetline Xtreme or Eco Gel, because I know those are like the two gels. Because basically what we're gonna do is a wash and go. So just use any leave-in that you have that works good with those. Okay, so I mixed the moisture cream and the Eco, and this is clumping. Y'all see that? Look at that. So that's a definite no. I really just part out my hair because I really want to cut this shorter, because the whole point of me cutting my hair long is so I don't have to do anything with my hair as much. This is still doing something with my hair. So okay, so I'm gonna part down the middle. So basically the method is spray, add some moisture back in, and then go in with your leave-in. Take your section, and you put it in your root, and then kind of like shingle with your fingers. So anyways, when I get closer to the top, I'll show you guys. But after I do that and I get like the kind of moisture and curl that I want, then I add my Wetline Xtreme gel over it and just leave it there. I really don't do that much detangling, because I find when I use the Moisture Miracle, it kind of like already detangles for me. So yeah, what I would do, I get my detangling brush, however, and I go in. So, ooh, y'all say, ooh, you see that? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. And this is always just the Moisture Miracle. Now this is what I mean by my detangle brush. I spray it with water first so I don't feel like I'm going in all dry. The section that I have into the root. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this more when we get to the front. I'm gonna show you guys again. So. So as I tell you guys, I will show you, a little up close how I do it. So I sprayed with water, and I'm going with just a little at first. Start with my roots, work it all the way to the ends of my hair. I'm gonna dry it first and then put the gel on. So now I'm going with my Wetline Xtreme. And I just do the same thing. I work from the root up. So now you see, because I added some less, it's not flaking as much or clumping. Now it's sometimes better if you are doing this wash and go that you shape your hair how you want your wash and go to fall. You can style it afterwards when you're finished, but sometimes it's just better to try and shape it while doing the wash and go, because when it dries, it most likely will dry in the position that you left it in when you were doing the wash and go. So yeah. don't see this definition though. Yeah. So then what I do, I just fix up my edges. So guys, we're basically finished. And this is how I do my pixie cut, I don't know if it's a taper cut, just my bake chop. This is how I style it sometimes. Obviously here looks a little flat, so I would pick it and just pick it really into shape where some areas look flat, but some is not completely dry yet. So I don't want to pick it and then frizz it. I'm going to show you guys how I like fix up my undercut for those who have an undercut or just want to know how I, you know, kind of look more decent. And I'm going to show you my little trick. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going into my makeup bag. And for this, I use my eyebrow shaver thing. You're also going to need black pencil because that's the color of my hair. And black pencil and also concealer. When I'm not going to the brow. So first I get my black pencil and I outline. So I outline my liner. And as you can see, here looks thinner than my hair, so I just put it in. Yeah, because why not? And I just brush it out so it looks more natural. Same thing with this area here, just brush it out. I start to see it coming, okay. Okay. And I brush that. I'm turning on this area, this is where I do my part. Now, as y'all can see here, it's not as prominent. So this is where I go with my concealer. Yes, I'm putting concealer in my head. So I just follow the line from where my part would be. Just a rough line, like that. Okay. And then I got my concealer brush. Yeah. So then I just use that to clean up that part. And that's basically it. So that's kind of how I got my part here. And I could just clean it up as to, you know, as the best you want it to look. I'm pretty satisfied with how it's looking right now, so yeah. Now if I didn't want to do the makeup part, what I would still use the makeup, sorry. What I would do is use my liner to outline where I want my lineup to go. And then I just take here and smooth downwards. I don't know if you can see it. So this is it. This is how I style my big chop, my pixie cut, my taper cut, whatever you want to call it. This is basically how I style it on a regular. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you guys do try it sometime, and please let me know in the comments if it works for you. Anyways guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Bye.